little girl, Andrea Brown, who was in the hospital at Methodist and getting ready to have aneurysm surgery on the brain. It was going to be touch and go and empty. Tony went down there, went to the bedside, gave the young lady.
You know what? Come on, come on. Okay, you caught it. It's sport. You got to catch and release. Catch and release. You let that poor bird go. You got it. You let that poor bird go. Catch and release. There. You caught it. The sport. It's done. It's done. You caught it. You caught it. Let the bird go. Let the bird go. You caught it. It's fine. Hey. Just you catch and release. That's what we do, kitty. Okay? No. No. You got it. That should be enough. That should be enough. Look at all the hair you're shedding. That's so gross. Okay, what we do is catch and release. Okay, kitty? Come on. Let the poor bird go. He's terrified. He's terrified. Come on. Alright, whatever. That's your biz. That's not my biz.